Hey everybody, so today I am doing a first review on a company called Catalina Crunch. Now I have the cereal and the cookies, but today we're just gonna do the cookies, and I have my non-keto partners here with me to see if these are
delicious.
So we're gonna stand up. We're gonna start with the Oreos.
I like Oreos.
They're called chocolate vanilla sandwich cookies.
Oreos.
So let me see. They got 11 carbs, 3 fibers, and 2 sugars. So it ends up with, and then there's something called allulose, which I'm assuming is a sugar alcohol because they took that away from the carbs. So they took the 11 carbs minus the 3 fibers minus the 3 grams of allulose. So I'm assuming that's sugar alcohol. And it gives you 5 net carbs per 2 cookies. So let's hope they're not that good, or I'm going to want more than 2. But let's see.
Ooh, those look like a lot.
It look like a lot. It don't look like that much to me.
There's 10.
There's probably more than 10.
So we're gonna see if they're delicious.
We're gonna see if they're delicious.
Or delicious.
And we're getting ready for bed, so don't mind the fact that we all look a little. And I have my hidden contestants. Hold on. My hidden contestants behind the camera, my mother and my honey. And they're going to give their first reaction as well. You're just not going to see it. So we'll do more of a listening on their end. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wait, but said the same thing. Good.
I think good. 5-year-old, 7-year-old. Excellent.
Tolerable.
My mother said tolerable, which means not good, but it'll get the job done in a pinch.
Right.
Honey?
How do you like it?
Yeah, tolerable is a decent answer. Tolerable of air. It tastes like air.
AKA, he won't be eating these.
I will.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
You would eat these? Okay. Well,
I'll eat them all.
the reviews that said they taste just like Oreos lied. They don't. But they do give me a generic Oreo sandwich cookie from Save a Lot type of vibes.
Can I have another one?
Yeah. Not even the
Them.
I like the Aldi's.
No, we're gonna taste all of these.
Ooh, we get to taste all of them, Martha.
No, I don't like the cream in the middle.
Right. Mm-hmm.
We're gonna taste
I
all
like
these.
the cookie that's just like this. And they have them in Aldi's.
That
They
tastes
don't even
good,
taste like
doesn't it?
Okay, so I would do it. I mean,
It tastes flavory.
it's just,
How does it taste?
if
to
you've
you,
had an
Martha?
Oreo in the last 10 years, it don't taste like that.
Mom, it tastes good.
It tastes good. It does taste, I mean, I would eat it. Especially since I have to.
You know the white one. The white.
Right.
The white kind of tastes like milk. The white tastes like milk.
Well, Mom said, well, ain't that something?
Mom, are we doing a
That
video?
sucks.
I don't know.
They're all broke up.
Are we even playing the video?
That sucks.
Mommy,
What, babe?
are we playing the video?
Those probably good too.
Huh?
Those probably the better ones.
Right, let's see. So now we got the peanut butter.
I love peanut butter. How good is
Honey doesn't like them at all.
Taste the-
He's
taste
over here
the moisture
making
right out your mouth.
making faces, and
Dad doesn't like them.
we gotta
No,
go
Dad
back
does
to the
not like them.
drawing board for him.
You want to get some new ones?
Well, do
I
you
love
wanna-
peanut
you wanna
butter.
Give them each. Well, don't give me each. I'll split one with you.
Now they gonna split one just in case they don't like it.
I love that idea.
I'll just take the bottom. I mean,
You
I
love
just
You gotta
the
take
bottom.
the,
I like the cream.
Ooh,
You don't know if it's gonna taste like peanut butter.
Okay, you didn't.
I don't care what it tastes like.
You weren't supposed to eat it yet.
Okay, go ahead.
Both already ate it.
It's okay.
Still good. I didn't want to wait. I like the peanut butter more.
Me too.
Yeah.
The peanut butter one is the best.
So far, I agree.
So far.
I
Peanut
agree,
butter is
too.
tolerable. Actually, it's not tolerable. It's decent.
And see, I didn't have the
These give
peanut
me-
butter cream piece, but the bottom part is not bad. See, I don't like all the cream. So.
These give me peanut butters like Girl Scout-ish vibes. Like not Girl Scout cookies, but
What's
Girl
the next
Scout-ish.
one? This is the next
This
one, Mom.
reminds me of peanut butter
Next one.
sandwich cookies from
There
Sega.
is. They have white
So-
flavor on this.
Not all these.
If you're from
Not
Cleveland,
Giant Eagle.
then we keep referencing Save a
There's
Lot.
even green flavor.
Y'all can pretty much take it from there. If you're not from Cleveland,
You might not know what to say.
you may not know what Save a Lot is.
There are more
And
places than Cleveland.
hmm?
There are more places than just Cleveland.
Okay, well if you don't know what Save a Lot is,
What do you
Save a
know
Lot
about
brand is not a compliment. Now again, they're not nasty to me. I would do them, but I think it's because I haven't had a real cookie in
I'm not done yet.
I don't even know when.
That's why
I haven't.
slow.
I'll do it in a pinch too, but
He was looking at me crazy. I have not. I've been following a low carb now, not straight, but as far as like cookies and donuts and stuff, I really haven't had none. This is vanilla cream,
Ooh, vanilla cream.
which would be my favorite, so hopefully it's good.
I hope. Because all these ones
No.
taste delicious. But I hope this one tastes
I saved the worst one for last, which is the chocolate and mint, because I hate chocolate and mint everything.
What is
I
chocolate
don't
and
even like chocolate and mint patties.
Mommy, how does the chocolate and mint taste?
Well, we're gonna find out.
I don't think so. Oh, I don't got a broken one.
Excellent.
Yay.
Oh, you still eating yours here? Y'all gonna share it
share
again?
it again.
Are you? Yeah, like it.
Here, put
Just
this
in
in this
case
hand.
I don't like it.
You like that one?
3.
That's tolerable. That's the best one so
I
far.
like this one.
I do. It tastes like cake.
It does taste like
It does
cake.
taste like cake.
You're
I
right.
haven't tasted mine.
I don't like this one, but it does taste like cake.
It kind of have a.
Birthday cake.
You got an aftertaste, and birthday cake confetti is exactly.
And I don't like that kind of stuff, but
It gives me coconut vibes.
It does.
yeah, it does. Yeah, I got it in a coconut
Really?
too.
I don't see no coconut in here.
Yeah, the
But
cream
that's
got
what
in
it-
a coconut.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's giving me. And I'm not a coconut person, but I do like this one. I could honestly, so far, I would probably reach for the peanut butter first, and then these, and then the Oreo.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one. The peanut butter is good.
And so now,
Peanut butter is better.
by the time you finish the catalytic crunch, you're at 10 carbs.
Okay, so
I mean, the bit.
Those ones
they are
look
5
tasty.
carbs per
I
2
thought it was
cookies.
like-
2 cookies.
We got
I'll
4
eat it.
flavors,
I'll eat
and
it.
we're trying 1 to each. So we're
I'm
at
gonna eat
about
more
10
sauce.
carbs right here.
Right.
Also doesn't.
Right, you don't gotta be so loud.
I'm just gonna eat this one.
Which one was that one? The rest of the peanut butter? Oh, he didn't taste his vanilla. Go ahead.
Oh, he don't want his peanut butter one. It's okay. I just ate it.
Okay.
It tastes like cake.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like whipped cream cake.
So far these are a hit with the kids, which is a good thing. What was that? You don't like the aftertaste? What it tastes like?
Aftertaste.
Oh.
What is aftertaste? I hope
Honey said it gives him a bad aftertaste. Right. It gives him a bad aftertaste.
How
which
these
was
ones
the
taste
vanilla.
like?
Actually, you know, most
Stop
keto
voice, Brian.
stuff
You are
has
so
a,
close to the camera. Okay.
the sweeteners that they usually use in keto has
Stevia.
an aftertaste. Yeah, stevia has an aftertaste.
That's what it says.
And that's what he's probably getting, that stevia.
So I'm not excited about these at all because I don't like mint.
I think I'll like it. I think I'll like those.
You don't think you'll like it, so you don't want to try it? Okay. At least we know not.
You don't know.
Don't waste my money.
Oh.
Other end.
It
like
smells mint patty-ish.
Oh, it does smell like a mint patty.
It smells just like a mint
It
patty.
smells like
a York's
minty.
mint patty.
Yep.
It's minty.
What it tastes like? It's minty.
Tastes like a York's mint patty.
Yeah.
Do
It
it.
smells like one. Even this
Guys,
part of the cookie kind of tastes like a York's mint patty.
It tastes like peppermint.
Yeah.
I smell
I would
yours.
say York's mint patty-ish. Very
This
much.
do. It really do taste like the York's mint patty.
Mhm.
It's good though.
If you, they got the cream on this one like perfect.
I didn't taste the cream. I just got the cookie part. But
It
it's
tastes-
got a little bit of hint of cream on it. It tastes like mint patty.
The cream on this one tastes just like the inside of a mint patty.
Wow.
Which one do you really like that?
So now which
Because
one
I
is your
like this
favorite?
one the most.
I still would go with, honestly, my first choice probably would be the mint out of all of them. But after the mint, vanilla cream, then maybe,
I like
Peanut
all of
butter.
them.
and then the so-called Oreo ones, I don't think I would eat them at all.
Mm-hmm.
I would have to be very, very, very like Survivor Island hungry to touch that.
Not Survivor Island.
My
Okay.
first choice would be, honestly, my first choice would be mint. Ironically enough,
It's too
my
much.
first choice would be mint, and I'm not a big mint
Too much.
cookie kind of fan or ice cream, but this is actually pretty good. I could tolerate this a lot better. My first choice would be mint, and then
Somebody
it would be
shaking the
peanut
table.
butter. I don't like that
Vanilla cream.
vanilla cream too much. It would be, that would probably, that and Oreo would be my last.
Can you throw it away? But it's still good.
Give it to Ryan,
Right.
he'll eat it.
Thanks. Because it's too much, but it's still good.
Too much what?
He said it's too much, but it's still good.
Yeah, that's too many cookies. Mommy should have did like me and Josh. Split it with y'all. Half and half.
Okay, so for me, as much as I love Oreos, and I think this is why I'm putting it in this order, Oreos will be last because it doesn't taste like an Oreo, and it's a disappointment when you want it to taste like an Oreo. I would probably do peanut butter first.
I like peanut butter.
I would do the vanilla one second.
Yes, I like it too.
Surprisingly, I would do these mint ones third.
Yes. Mint's new.
And then Oreo last because
Oreo, yay.
I'm just not a big fan, but I will eat them all. They will do in a pinch. And I will probably be able to eat two and walk away. So that's a plus.
Right.
Because if I'm going to waste all these carbs on 2 cookies, I'd rather them taste better.
Right.
But
Delicious.
I'm not mad at it. Oh, and they're 90 calories per 2 cookies too. So that's not bad. Especially now compared to what was it, Lenny and something, them keto cookies from Walmart?
What do we have?
Yeah,
What they look
stop.
like?
In the package. There was the one cookie in the package.
I didn't have that.
Oh,
didn't try
yes you did. Oh, was that somebody tried? It was disgusting. It tastes like straight cardboard.
Wow.
It was horrible. I will never, ever, ever buy those again. So, compared to those keto cookies, these are a far step up because I would eat these again before I eat those. Would I be in a rush to buy them again? I'm not sure.
I need some water to wash all this sugar.
My mama said probably not.
I need water
They
to
dry your
wash
mouth
off
out.
the sugar.
They do.
Like snatches all the moisture right out your
They do.
mouth.
I need
Go
water.
ask Daddy. You too.
5
Yeah, they do. They're definitely, but most keto snacks do.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think I notice it as much. For people who are not keto, like my honey and my kids, they're not keto, so it will probably be more noticeable that they're drying. But for us who are on keto and only eat keto snacks for real, most stuff is drying.
Yeah.
So I think to me and my mother, it's kind of normal, but it's you still notice it. But compared to like other stuff, like protein cookies.
Yeah, protein cookies are horrible.
Yeah. So I would even say these are better than the Quest cookies. Have you had one of those Quest cookies
had
I got?
the Quest cookie. And it was okay. And the chocolate chip, it wasn't bad.
It just tastes like protein powder to me.
Yeah. It tasted like the first bite was not very good, and then the second bite was better. Then the third bite was okay. Then by the fourth bite, I was kind of like, okay, I'm not really feeling this, but I might as well finish it.
That's pretty much like, especially when you eat it after not eating cookies for a minute, like when you haven't.
You want these? Okay.
When you haven't had a cookie in a minute, that first bite of even a Quest cookie is like, oh, okay, I can do this.
Right.
And then you keep eating it and you realize, no, I don't want to.
Right.
I don't want to. Never mind.
Right.
So, I'm not terribly disappointed. I'm not.
Okay.
Just, after watching the other reviews on the chocolate ones, and hearing how, and don't get me wrong, everybody said it does not taste like an actual Oreo. Everybody said it tastes like the generic brand. But it, to me, doesn't. It tastes like the low grade generic brand.
Very low grade.
Not
To
even.
the tune that we all put it at the bottom of the list.
Right. And I thought that was going to be, honestly, I thought vanilla was going to be my favorite. Because I actually will go to the store and get the vanilla ones. The vanilla generic stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Or even the vanilla Oreos. I thought that was going to be my favorite. But it has, even though it's really good, it has too much of a coconutty for my liking. I don't like coconut. If you like coconut, those will be your favorite. I did not expect peanut butter to be my favorite, but they are. It has a real peanut butter taste.
I like the mint. The mint turned out to be my favorite. So that's my first choice. Peanut butter my second.
And I thought peanut butter was going to be her first choice.
I did too.
I thought mint was going to come last for everybody, and it came first.
Yeah, it came first or somewhere, yes. And runner up.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
well, that's it for this review. I think we got all of our honest opinions out there.
Yeah. That's about as honest as you can get.
Like I said, we all getting ready for bed, so that's why you couldn't see the faces. But believe me, some of them were not pretty. So you probably didn't want to see them anyway. So that's it. And tomorrow I will try the cereal. It's late. We all had dinner. We full. Ready to go to bed. So we're not going to do the cereal. But I will give the cereal a fair chance because I am not terribly disappointed with the cookies. So come back tomorrow for that. And see you next time.